Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to paste a screenshot into Claude Code. So it's very simple guys. You simply have to open Claude first, and simply if you are using Windows, you can literally just take a screenshot either by using application or by using your keyboard. By keyboard you simply have to tap on Windows Shift S, and you could take a picture simply just like that. And you can literally, now I have the screenshot as you can see here, and I can go to Claude and paste it in it just like that. So how to paste it? The usual paste method, which is Control V. Now if you are using Windows or WSL and Control V doesn't work for you, you could try Alt V, or simply just click with your mouse and choose the paste option. Now on Mac you need to use Command V, and Claude Code will insert the screenshot on image ship as an image ship, and usually something like image number 1. And after that, type what you want Claude to do with the screenshots. For example, what is this, or whatever prompt you want it to be analyzing. Now, if you don't have the screenshot option on your PC, then you should download this application. It's called I don't know really what it's called. Let me just click on about. Lightshot, exactly, Lightshot. So Lightshot lets you take screenshots simply by clicking on it, and then you can literally just drag whatever, click on copy, Control C, and then you can literally just paste it again over here. Just as a reminder guys, when you use a screenshot, and basically for design, Claude Code is not the best for design, just use another like chatbot. But in case you were asking for affirmations or like problems to fix, well, screenshots are very helpful with that, so you can describe a problem very easily. And yeah guys, that was basically it for today's video. Thank you for watching. See you guys next upcoming video.